Tortilla French toast. Hey everyone, it's Dan Whalen, cookbook author and food blogger at thefoodinmybeard.com. I create comfort food mashups and twist on classic recipes. Some of my favorite mashups have been mac and cheese deviled eggs or corned beef hash gnocchi. The key to making a mashup is taking two dishes that actually, I guess, share a lot of ideas and ingredients. I didn't grow up cooking. I came from a large Italian family and we would get together every week and share these big pasta dinners. I would always look at the different techniques and preparations, and I kind of was already informing myself as a cook before I even realized it. Afterwards in college, I would start cooking for my friends, and that's when my love of cooking truly grew. Today I'm going to show you one of my breakfast recipes, which is tortilla French toast. And what's cool about this recipe is because you're stacking the tortillas in so many layers, you can put stuff right in between the layers as a way to make stuffed French toast without actually stuffing it. I like making this recipe in a skillet, but if you want to serve your whole family, you could put it into a bigger casserole dish, definitely. I'm just going to measure the pan and run my knife along the edge here. And with these extra tortillas, I'm just gonna quickly pan fry them and serve them on top of like a tortilla salad or soup. So I just have 4 eggs here, and I'm gonna add a little milk. And you can use alt milk if that's what you usually use around the house. And half of this cinnamon, which I'm gonna put the other half into the mascarpone here, and half of the vanilla, and again, the other half into the mascarpone cheese. Whisk up the eggs and milk in here. I'm also going to add a little bit of sugar to both of these. You know, we're going to douse this in maple syrup later. I'm just going to lightly season both of these with salt as well. I'm putting a little oil into the pan. I'm going to start layering it up. Take your tortilla, dip it into the egg mixture, put it on the bottom of the pan. Then we're going to mix up this cheese mixture. Take a little bit of this and spread it along the tortilla. And then just repeat until it's done. Before we put this in the oven, I'm just gonna spoon a little bit more of the egg mixture onto the skillet so that the egg fills up around the outsides of the tortilla. So I'm gonna get this into the oven. About 30 to 45 minutes later, we'll be ready to eat. So, as you can see, this really has fluffed up a lot and kind of expanded the eggs in there. But in a few minutes, this will be dropped right back down. You can see the layers of cheese in between the tortillas. It's all just soaked with egg and that cinnamon. Unique, different, something really cool and totally delicious. I love it.